What if you can find 5 amazing hidden gems and delicious dishes in southern France? Let's explore 5 lesser-known destinations. You'll get insider tips on must-visit restaurants, charming villages, and breathtaking locations that only locals know about. Plus, we'll dive into the flavors that make this region so special, from hidden seaside spots to mountaintop eateries. Stick around to find out not just what to see and taste, but how to make the most out of each visit. By the end, you'll have a list of experiences that go beyond the typical tourist trails, guaranteed to surprise even the most seasoned traveler. Let's kick things off with St. Tropez and one of its gems, La Bouillabaisse Plage. Wanting to enjoy a meal that truly embodies the local flavors of a place? La Bouillabaisse Plage offers just that. This restaurant is known for its signature dish, bouillabaisse, a traditional fish stew that's as authentic as it gets. Picture fresh fish and seafood simmered with herbs and spices, creating a dish that perfectly reflects the Mediterranean. It's a true taste of the sea. But it's not just about the food here. La Bouillabaisse Plage is located right by the beach at the entrance to St. Tropez, offering some pretty impressive views of the bay. Whether you're dining at sunset or sitting down for a romantic dinner by the water, the atmosphere is warm and inviting. The menu features seasonal ingredients with Mediterranean flair, from grilled fish to perfectly cooked shellfish. So what makes this spot truly special? It's more than just the food and views. It's the whole experience. With easy access, nearby hotels, and private parking, La Bouillabaisse Plage is convenient for both locals and visitors alike. If you're in St. Tropez and craving for a mix of excellent food and beachside vibes, this restaurant should definitely be on your list. Have you ever thought about where you might enjoy your next seaside meal? Well, now you know. Now let's move on to La Garde-Freinet, a mountaintop village that feels like a hidden treasure. Wondering what it's like to step into a place where history, nature, and local flavors all come together? Just a short distance from the glitz of St. Tropez, this village has its own unique charm. With its cobbled streets, stone houses, and squares draped in flowers, La Garde-Freinet is a place where you can soak up the peaceful, traditional vibe. If you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. The village is known for its terrine de lapin, a rustic rabbit terrine that gives you a real taste of Provençal cuisine. Imagine wandering through local markets, picking up jars of chestnut paste or honey to enjoy with a picnic. The village markets are perfect for sampling local products and are especially enjoyable during quieter times of the year. But La Garde-Freinet isn't just about food. It's also an ideal spot for exploring the outdoors. The village is surrounded by hiking and biking trails that lead you through scenic landscapes with views that stretch to the distant Mediterranean. At the top, you'll find the medieval fortress, a climb that rewards you with panoramic views. If you're ready to relax after a day of exploring, the village's squares offer quaint restaurants with terraces overlooking the stunning scenery. It's a perfect setting to enjoy the Provençal meal and take in the slower pace of village life. Have you ever wanted to experience the quieter side of southern France? La Garde-Freinet offers just that. Now let's take a trip to Sisteron, often called the Pearl of Haute-Provence. If you've stumbled upon a place that feels like a well-kept secret, Sisteron is exactly that, offering a scenery that's both dramatic and unforgettable. The town is set against the Rocher de la Baume, a towering rock formation that rises above the Durance River, making it the photographer's dream. The river, with its historic bridge, adds to the town's charm and offers views that are nothing short of peaceful. What can you expect when visiting Sisteron? The medieval citadel is hard to miss. It dominates the skyline and offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys. Imagine standing at the top of this ancient fortress, taking in the maze of narrow streets below. The traditional Provençal houses and the vibrant market scenes add layers of history and culture to your experience. The markets, held twice a week, are the perfect spot to pick up fresh produce and regional crafts. But if you're craving adventure, Sisteron has plenty to offer. This town is a gateway to the Alpes de Haute-Provence region, where you can hike, bike, or even enjoy water sports on the Durance River. The trails here cater to both casual walkers and seasoned hikers, so there's something for everyone. So whether you're captivated by the town's history, in awe of its views, or eager to explore the outdoors, Sisteron offers a rich, off-the-beaten-path experience. Have you ever considered exploring a place that's equal parts adventure and history? Sisteron might just be your next favorite spot. Let's shift our focus to St. Paul de Vence, a place where arts and history come alive. Do you know what it's like to walk through a village that feels like an open-air gallery? St. Paul de Vence is exactly that. Known for its rich artistic heritage, this village has long attracted both artists and art lovers. Its streets are lined with galleries and studios that showcase everything from modern pieces to works by historical figures like Follon, Tobias, and César. One of the must-visit spots in the village is the Foundation Mate, a modern art museum founded in 1964 by Amy and Margaret Mate. This museum isn't just about its incredible collection of 20th century art, which includes works by Chagall, Miro, and Giacometti. The building itself is an architectural masterpiece, and the surrounding gardens, filled with sculptures, offer a peaceful setting perfect for taking in the art at your own pace. Another highlight is the Chapelle des Pénitents Blancs, restored by the Belgian artist Jean-Michel Follon. This chapel is a stunning blend of stained glass and paintings that reflect Follon's personal connection to the village, capturing both the spiritual and artistic essence of the region. As you explore the cobblestone streets of St. Paul de Vence, the village's history unfolds before you. From medieval walls to charming fountains, each corner tells a story. This village truly offers a unique mix of the old and new, making it a must-visit for anyone drawn to art, history, or simply beautiful places. Ever thought about stepping into a living museum? St. Paul de Vence is waiting for you. Now let's dive into Nice and Cannes area, where John Charles Perrino, co-founder of La Compagnie, reveals some of his favorite hidden dining gems. Curious about where you can find truly local flavors in these glamorous cities? Let's start with two standout spots, Le Bocal in Nice and Uva in Cannes, both offering a taste of Mediterranean magic. Le Bocal, tucked away in the heart of Nice, is the perfect place for a fresh, homemade Mediterranean meal. What makes it so special? Its simplicity. With a daily changing menu that reflects the best of the local market, this eatery is all about seasonal ingredients. Whether you choose to sit inside the cozy space or grab a takeaway to enjoy by the sea, you'll be treated to flavors that are authentically Mediterranean. Have you ever tried a meal so fresh that it feels like the ingredients were just picked? In Cannes, Uva takes things up a notch with a more upscale dining experience. This restaurant is beloved by both locals and tourists, known for its carefully crafted dishes that highlight the richness of local ingredients. From fresh seafood to gourmet French classics, every plate reflects the essence of the region. Its cozy ambience and warm service make it a favorite spot for those seeking a memorable dining experience. So whether you're looking for a casual bite in Nice or a refined dinner in Cannes, these hidden gems offer a delightful way to explore Southern French cuisine. Wouldn't it be great to discover these spots for your next Riviera adventure? As we close out our tour of Southern France, let's keep the travel spirit alive. Did you know Austria is packed with breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultural scenes? Next up, we'll explore Austria's top travel spots, revealing hidden gems and iconic experiences. Make sure to subscribe and join us as we dive into Austria's best offerings, helping you plan your next unforgettable journey.